You know what it's like planning the future of your IT infrastructure. It's a balancing act, driven by performance needs, cost savings, and an unpredictable business environment. It's like putting together a puzzle while the pieces keep changing shape. But now, the cloud offers the ability to make all the pieces fit. US Signal's managed data center powers cloud solutions with the flexibility to drive down costs and increase performance without compromising security. Meet Jen and Joel, IT managers at rival widget companies. Huge increases in widget demand and an aging IT infrastructure leave Jen and Joel scrambling to keep up. Joel knows about the benefits of the cloud, but security requirements and reliability concerns push him away from the public cloud. Instead, he adds additional bare metal servers to augment his IT infrastructure. Jen is interested in utilizing the cloud and has the same security and reliability concerns. But Jen uses US Signal for her wide area networking needs. Pairing managed data center service with her private WAN means she can create a hybrid cloud using her legacy equipment and US Signal's virtual private servers. All of this exists entirely behind her firewalls and has an end-to-end service level agreement guaranteeing availability. Moving forward with managed data center, Jen adds virtual private servers as needed to augment her infrastructure with no additional capital expense. Joel must overbuild his server infrastructure to accommodate future demand, but his budget is tight and quality trade-offs are made in favor of quantity. Jen doesn't have any overbuild. She adds virtual private servers in the US Signal cloud ad hoc, knowing each virtual private server is provisioned using state-of-the-art equipment, providing performance well beyond what could be achieved from a typical bare metal server. Joel mirrors his server environment in a geographically diverse location to meet disaster recovery demands and purchases expensive, dedicated bandwidth between the facilities. Bandwidth he pays for, but hopes to never use. With Managed Data Center, Jen takes snapshots of the virtual machines in her private cloud and stores them in the US Signal cloud. In case of disaster, the VMs in her private cloud are quickly rebuilt in the US Signal Managed Data Center, and because her private WAN is already with US Signal, there is no extra charge for the bandwidth in and out of her US Signal provided cloud. And while Joel struggles to create development and testing environments for new applications, Jen quickly adds and removes virtual private servers to create development environments on the fly, because Managed Data Center provides an infinite resource pool. When new applications are approved for production, Jen can easily move the apps back to servers in her private cloud. But we don't think she will, because Jen has discovered that some apps just run better in the US Signal cloud, and the ones that don't, well, that's the power of the cloud. It's there when you need it, and gone when you don't. Learn more about US Signal's Managed Data Center and how pairing it with US Signal's data and security services provides highly flexible cloud computing options to meet your IT needs.